What if clicking a button and watching a video could net you $2? What if you could do it indefinitely and make $10 to $200 every hour? The best part is that you only need a computer or smartphone to get started. Using services like PayPal, bank transfers, Bitcoin, Paytm, and Pioneer, you'll learn how to quickly generate cash online in today's video. You can apply this strategy from anywhere in the world because it is completely free. Additionally, remember that you can earn more money by using more apps. Please read the entire article to understand more about these 5 websites and apps that can assist you in making money. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. The initial ways to make money on your phone are through online surveys and market research. This way of making money has the advantage that no upfront payment is necessary. All you have to do is devote a lot of time in answering multiple surveys from various brands and businesses about their goods and services. You can broaden this method of making money on your phone by downloading several surveys websites or survey apps. Another choice is to engage in additional lucrative activities like referring people to different survey websites. You don't need a computer or laptop to start this. All you need is your phone. Many survey applications make it possible for anyone to take part and receive money and other perks, making it available to everyone in the world. If you are not familiar with internet surveys, I can instead refer to them as market research. It entails answering questions about the goods and services of different brands on numerous web forums. That is the first way to make money on your phone without spending any money. The second way you may make money on your phone is by playing mobile games. This is one of the ways that online gaming is now growing, as new games are being made every day that are eager to pay you for your time. They're making money, or you're exchanging goods and services with them, by having you watch brief advertisements in between game sessions and other activities. This is another practical method for making money or making the best use of your smartphone, especially in light of the prevalence of free online gaming. Before picking up your phone to play the next game, think about how much money you can make from it. If not, simply be aware that you can make up for it with a game that is comparable to or of a similar sort. The third ways to make money on your phone is to download investment or investment-related apps. There are several investments apps, some of which cater to people all over the world and others which are exclusive to your country. So you must do some research to find out which investment apps are the best ones for you. Although there is a tiny initial investment required for this method, I think it is one of the best ways to make money off of your smartphone. The great thing is that many of these apps may be used without having to invest tens of thousands of dollars at first. With little initial commitment, you may progressively grow your assets and your portfolio, improving your chances of making money. Utilizing your smartphone to complete numerous gigs, small jobs, or micro tasks is the next way to get money. Other programs, including Clickworker, Microworkers, and several others, let you perform a variety of jobs. Another sector that is growing is this one. By responding to this jobs advert, you can make money. Online employment opportunities could include answering surveys, hunting for particular photos, annotating videos, and creating quick films and images. You can have other professions that call for you to travel to the city, go to shopping malls, and do other things like that. Another way to generate money using only your phone is to complete minor jobs for money utilizing various applications like Field Agent, which doesn't need much work from you. You need to check your email and use your phone to take and send pictures so you may give money. This is another way to use your mobile device more efficiently. The next suggestion is to work as a freelancer. You are not necessary to own a computer unless you are a freelancer working on a project that makes use of one. You may accomplish a lot of your freelancing work with a mobile device. The good news is that you can download and install mobile applications from a number of freelance markets like Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor to browse through various opportunities. Many of these options are accessible via your phone. A cell phone that is connected to the internet and loaded with this information is one of the best tools you'll ever have for creating a source of income. As a result, Think about freelancing even if you only have a cell phone. The idea after that is to start a YouTube channel. I've accessed YouTube before using my phone. I used to record videos on my phone, edit them all, do SEO, post the videos, and get comments. Back then, I thought editing was easier because I did it all on my phone and there was no audio or video moving. This is yet another approach to establishing a steady stream of revenue. This is, in my opinion, one of the best earning opportunities you may have with just a phone. If you've been wanting to start a YouTube channel but feel as though you lack the resources, start with your phone. There are a ton of tools and apps that you can use exclusively on your phone, like as editing tools, editing apps, and SEO tools to grow your YouTube channel. The next idea is playtesting, sometimes known as game testing. New games produced by reputable companies are proliferating in the app stores. Apps and video games must be evaluated before being made available in the app stores, which is why so many companies are creating positions that involve testing. All you have to do is give feedback on how you find the game or app, and they're willing to pay you to test out those various apps. A fantastic illustration of such a platform is Playtest Cloud, which uses users to test various mobile commercials. Another one is known as Game Tester, and Lionbridge has partnered with or purchased it. Lionbridge is one of the biggest organizations that has been around for a while. They offer a platform for testing where you may try out different games. You'll love some of these games and apps, and it's yet another excellent way to use your smartphone to earn money. People from all over the world frequently have the chance to test our apps on their mobile devices. Here are a few ways you may use your phone to make money. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.